If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your TripAdvisor account, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Visit the TripAdvisor login page. Go to the TripAdvisor website and click on the login button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option related to security or two-factor authentication in the settings menu. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the section for two-factor authentication. There should be an option to manage or reset your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the reset option. You may be prompted to verify your identity through your email or phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. After successfully resetting, you will need to set up two-factor authentication again. Choose your preferred method such as an authentication app or SMS and follow the prompts to complete this setup. By following these steps, you can successfully reset two-factor authentication on your TripAdvisor account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TripAdvisor support for further assistance.